हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ जी। मैं ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੁਰਜੀਤ ਮਾਗਟ। मैं इस टाइम श्रीलंका ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਪਲਾਨ ਬਣਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਰਹੱਦਿਲ ਵਿਲੇਜ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੋਬਨ ਹੁੱਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਹਿਸਟਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਆ। ਫਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ 1990 अर्लीस्ट 90 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ 80s 17 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਲੰਕਾ ਦਾ ਰੋਬਨ ਹੁੱਡ ਆ। ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਦਾ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਦਾ। ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਪਾਰਟ ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਤਾਜ਼ੀਆਂ।
පාසි කුඩා යන්න ඕනේ කියලා බලමු මේ
हाँ जी, आप पहुंच गए सरहੱਦਿਲ ਵਿਲੇਜ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੋਬਨ ਹੁੱਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਤੇ ਟਿਕਟ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਲਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਮਵਨ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਗਾਈਡ ਅਸ। ਤੇ ਟਿਕਟ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਫੋਰਨਰ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਦੀ 1000 ਹੋਮ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਲੰਕਾ ਐਂਡ ਲੋਕਲੀ 160 ਐਡਲ। ਤੇ ਟਿਕਟ ਆ ਗਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਗਾਈਡ ਦੀ। ਸਾਮਾਨ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਦੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ, ਵਿਲੇਜ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਦੱਸੇਗਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੇਜ ਤੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਓ, ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਿਓ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਹੋਣ ਸਾਰ ਬੜਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਬੜੀ ਇੱਕ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਆ। ਬਾਕੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
මෙතන නිර්මාණය කළා තියෙන 19 වෙනි සියවසේ ගමක්. සරදියෙල් ඉපදුනේ 1832. ඒ කාලේ ගමක් තමයි මේ නිර්මාණය කරන්නේ විශේෂඥ වෛද්‍ය ආර්.ඩී. සේනියුගමගේ කියන වෛද්‍යතුමා. එතුමාගේ අදහසට ගම නිර්මාණය කරාම නම් ගම ගැන කතා කරනවා. මේ ඉදිරියේම තියෙන කරත්තගාලක්. සරදියෙල්ගේ තාත්තා කරත්තකාරයෙක්. සරදියෙල්ගේ තාත්තා දීකිරිකාවගේ අදාසියක්. හාල් දඩුවන ඉඳලා තුන් කරලා කරවල වගේ දේවල් අරන් ඇවිත් පඩි බාණු විදිහයි මේකට කරන්නේ. बाकी කරත්ත බර භාග මේ කොටසේ තියෙනවා. සරදියෙල්ගේ තාත්තා එයාගේ ගමට යද්දී පුවක් කුරුඳු කියන බෝග දෙක එයාගේ ගමට අරන් ගියා. සරදියෙල්ගේ තාත්තා මේ පැත්තේ නවත්තලා හැරෙනවා දෝලාව බලන්න. මේ දෝලාවෙන් අධිකාරම් කෙනෙක් අම්බලමට එනවා සරුවක් ඉස්සරහට. දෝලාවට තව නමක් පැලැක්කිලා පැලැක්කිකරුවන් තමයි දෝලාවට සෝදෙන්නේ. පැලැක්කිකරුවන් 13 දෙනෙක් ගමනකට සහභාගී වුණා. ගමනේ දුර ප්‍රමාණය අනුව 4 දෙනා ගමන අරන් යනවා. එක්කෙක් ඇලුම් පළලුම් කැම බීම ටික අරන් යනවා. ඒ වෙන කාලේ කැලෑ පාරවල් තිබුණා. නැත්තම් කුදල්ලක් තියාගෙන ඉන්නේ පාරෙලි පෙරලි කරලා දෙන්න. අඬ බෙර කාර්යයා ගමේ ඇට දැනුම් දුන්නා. අධිකාරම් වෙනවා කියන පණිවිඩය සසකාරයා දන්නවා. මෙන්න එකතු වෙනවා. අම්මෙක් සහ දරුවෙක් කාලේ දරුවක් එක්ක විසඳ ගන්න. ආරච්චි මහත්තයා මෙන්න එක්ක අම්බලම ඉදිරි පිටට එන්නේ අර අධිකාරම්ම පිළිගන්න. පයින් ගමන් යන ඒ කාලේදී නැවතිලා වේසනවා ගත්තේ අම්බලමේ. ගමේ අයගේ සමිති සමාගම් තිබුණා. ඒව තිබුණෙත් අම්බලම් වල අධිකාරම් නඩු විසඳන්නේ අම්බලමකට ඇවිත්. අම්බලම පිරිස රැස්වල තැන පිපාසයක් ගන්නොත් වතුර බොන්න පින්තාලියක් තියෙනවා. වතුර බොන්න ගත්ත උපකරණයට දිය කෙනිස්ස කියලා කියනවා. අපි සරදියල්ගේ තාත්තව අඳුනගත්තේ අම්මා බලන්න කඩමණ්ඩියට යනවා. ඒ අදී අපිට මේ වාහල්කඩ හම්බෙන්නේ. මේ අලුත්නුවර දැඩිමොන්න දේවාලේ වාහල්කඩ විදියට අපි නිර්මාණය කරන වාහල්කඩ සහ දැඩිමොන්න දෙවියන්ගේ ප්‍රතිමාවක්. දැඩිමොන්න දෙවියන්ගේ වාහනය කුකුලා එහෙම නැත්නම් සැවුලා. දෙමාපියන් නිරන්දිතී කියන නාගමාතාව සහ පූර්ණක කියන යක්ෂ සේනාධිපති. අපේ ගම අයිති වෙන්නේ දැඩිමොන්න දෙවියන්ගේ අඩවියට. එහෙමනම් උන්වහන්සේගේ අවසර ඇතුව කඩමණ්ඩියට යමු සරදියල්ගේ අම්මව බලන්න. සොනිකා
known. The owner is Dr. Aryasena Yugamge. This is private van. You know Robin Hood of Ceylon? Yeah. Oh, England Robin Hood? England Robin Hood is always bring to rich people and given to poor people. Same Saradil. Saradil born in 1832. So this is 19th century village. Those days under the British rule here. Queen Victoria. You can see the rock right above here. That is Utuang Kand. Saravil was hidden there. And this is cart parking place. Here. Those days no vehicle. Bullock cart. There is coming to Adasiappu. Adasiappu is a Catholic. He's a carter. He brought a dry fish and tobacco here. After bringing cinnamon and coconut from Nigambo, Saradil's father name Adasiappu. Understood? That is Palanquin. Palanquin. Palanquin is, you know, we call Dola in Sinhala. It's carry on 30 men. They are soldiers. It is very task, not comfortable to do it there. And there is coming to Adhikaram. Adhikaram is the same judgment. And they are cleaning the road with open memory. Those days, Kandikalam road is a cart road. This is Vipper. Vipper is a punishment in lash. Those days. And here, Drama is a messenger. He called Adhikaram in this Ambalam. Ambalam is those days people walking and they can rest here. It is free. And here, mother and childhood. She has a problem. Solution that Adhikara. This is a headman of village and his wife. And he welcome that Adhikara. This is a pot of water. You know Pintalia. Pintalia, it is, we can drink water. It is free. Those days, no tap, no plastic bottle. It is free. It's drink anybody. Not allowance. And we called the Kinissa. Kinissa not. Kinissa is two things. One is weapon. And other one is a Kenitha is a branch of flower. And this one called Kenissa. It's made of coconut shell and sticks. Okay. Now, let's go to Bazaar. Bazaar is now we call shopping complex now.
Complex.
Right. Let's go. This is the entrance of Dadimunda Devali. You know Alutnuwara?
Yeah.
Word of Dadimunda. Its vehicle is Hawk. Hawk. Mother is Erandati Nagakanya, father is Dadimunda, father is Purnaka Yaksa Sena. Okay. This is Bazaar. Bazaar is now we call shopping complex. Instant shopping complex. It's a blacksmith. Blacksmith.
Yeah.
Made ironwork done here.
Ironwork.
It is not butcher. You know, pigs in sauce. You know, wasting pigs there. And pigs in sauce. You know, other one is like a horse sauce. And other one is a branding. Branding is those days no number plate. Today we call tattoo, same tattoo. Identify name here. Yeah. This is an anvil. Anvil. and hammer, and this is blow. Blow means push and come in air, and after hammer and fix in source. So blow. Blow means, you know, blow means mine hammer.
Yeah. Let me capture that. Okay.
This is coffee shop. Coffee shop. Those days no tea here. Our people drinking herbal drinks.
Okay.
And this is Saradi's mother, Pitohani.
Okay.
Padisa Dasiapu. They have 5 children: Saradiel, Gabriel, Pedhu, Anthony, and Martha. All names are Catholic. But Saradi's father is a Catholic, mother is Buddhist. Those days in Malay police. They are coming Malaysia. Those days under the British ruler, Queen Victoria, they served to here. You know Halapa?
Yep.
You know Halapa? Halapa is our traditional food. But he eat with leaf. We must remove leaf. But he don't know how to eat it.
remember.
How to eat it.
I just ate last
Yeah, he eat with leaf.
a bit. Okay.
You know Halapa? I eat
He had it
Just last week?
Yeah.
last week.
Yeah, last week.
This is gypsy. Snake camels. There is money dancing cobra and monkey. Their language is Telugu.
Okay.
Telugu. They are coming Indian.
Yeah.
Indian. Indian is Kerala.
Oh, Kerala. Okay.
Yeah. This is bar. Bar. Bar means those days no arak, no wine. Local story. Local story. Palm trees, coconut and palm trees. Saradil was robbed, this one, twice, and divided among the poor people.
Oh.
And there's a toddy pot and toddy barrel. Barrel means that one. We collect toddy there. And it's doing is Rendaral. Rendaral is those days given to taxing Englishmen, not to Englishmen. And here, drunken person. This is Saradi's family. Saradi family. Saradi is the elder son. Martha is a younger daughter. He was died 8 age. And other children is all other boys.
Okay.
Carpenter.
Carpenter. Carpenter, and there's a carpenter tools here. This is a hammer. Hammer.
Okay.
And this is a tri-square. And you know what is this? Marking gauge. And this is a hand show. And this one is Thoropania means, yeah. And those days how people, it's a very good exercise. Of exercise. But first one is a Thoropania. After this one, and now we have to electric drill.
Yes.
And this is a smoothing place. You know what is this? This is a petrol max. Those days no electric lamp.
That's very nice.
Yeah. And we push and come inside the carousel oil. Petrol max. This is, you know, what's this? Atua. Atua means we storage paddy here. Storage paddy here.
Storage.
Yeah. Our Sri Lankan Dovin 2 period. Jalan Maha. It's made a wooden box.
Okay.
Atua is out inside, and other one is a Vibissa. You know Vibissa?
I know.
Yeah, Vibissa made outside. It's such is a hay and mud, and this built in wood. This is storage in rice.
Storage for rice.
Yeah. Take a seat.
Thank you.
This is a special house, Grammy house. Those days, 30 rupees coconut leaf. You look and hay. Mud house. And floor cow is cow dung. You know cow dung? Cow poo. Those days, no cement, no tile. And no is AC.
Yeah.
No AC, very cool. And there has 3 places. We call one is a quarter pillar. Those days, no chair, no beds. Our men sleep and sit here.
Okay.
And other one is a water pillar. Water pillar is those days front wall is so tall and protects in house. And other one is a deer pillar. Deer pillar we putting water pot here, and it's a drink anybody, not allowance. And this is valuable things. Pettagam, almirah and trunk box.
Side story.
Yeah. Those days our grandmother marriage and she take a sari.
Story.
Yeah.
Copy.
And that is a hanging mats, you know, padura.
Yeah, padura.
Oh,
Padura.
That's nice.
And
It's made of straw.
yeah,
Got it.
and this is hanging faddy
Wow, it's
mats,
very, very
faddy
nice.
mats. It's a very, that is those days our
This with the rice.
rice. Those days
It's very nice.
Yeah.
yeah. It's a symbol of prosperity. Symbol of prosperity. We haven't money, but we have rice.
Right.
And those days we used communication. Today our girl and boys they allowed, and that at that time they allow affair. After our boys cut the paddy field, this one after prepared girl. After again back given to boy. And now boys' house is hanging their open door. After their parents, what is that meaning? They know now we have to. They know their son have to girl. After he don't like, they don't like parents. After hanging inside, or room inside. After that boy know it is don't like that girl. Understood?
I'm very got it.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice. That is a very nice communication. But today, don't give, don't mutawa. Let's go ahead.
Next.
Let's go ahead. This postman is a respectable job. They can wear a bend and coat. Listen. And postman and headman of village. 2 person in government service. And those days they are coming. Those days they are coming walking. But today they are coming scooter or bicycle.
Bicycle.
Those days postman is a respectable at that time. This is Milky cattle farm near a baby cow. It's a farmhouse. And this is a grinding stone. You know grinding stone, Kurhangala.
My grandma had one.
Yeah. Our tooth relic. Our Daladavanse. Api Sangawan Hitiame Kurhangali. And this is a measure of rice. Nelly and Seru. Nelly is, half kg.
Half kg. Okay.
And 1 kg.
Okay.
And this
Almost 50.
is.
50 grams.
Let her explain.
Later. And this we measure of carrot oil, coconut oil. It's a Karadi. Karadi means not Tamil word. And this is gourd. Those days no plastic bottle. And we bring in water here.
Okay.
And we called hell. Hell means ugoya. Those days our people they are collect toddy. You know toddy? Toddy means pa ra.
Ra.
we collect toddy there. And this is, those days no ceramic plate. And we lay a banana leaf for lotus shape. And we can eat. And this is Winon fan. Winon fan, we shift rice. Pull kamat bahasa you know? Here merit method system. You know, ekage diga kama. Ekage diga kama means 2 husband and 1 wife.
What do you
2 husband and 1 wife. Divided property.
Ah,
You know that one.
I heard it before. Yeah.
Elder son is married, both younger one. 1 wife and 2 husband. And other one is, you know, Binna Vivahaya means.
Yeah.
Binna Vivahaya means
The husband is stay in
wife house.
wife house.
Wife house. And other one is a Diga. Diga means
Wife living
stay
in
at
husband's
wife.
house. Yeah.
And here bed. This is bed. Bed. Those days no mattress. No mattress. And here signal is Winon fan. Winon fan. Now we call the X of the Winon fan. Don't disturb.
Okay.
Husband and wife here.
room.
Or hanging loincloth.
Oh.
Loincloth means, you know, amudalensu.
Yeah.
Hanging loincloth. Now we can't go inside. Husband and wife here. Don't disturb. But we can go inside. Wife here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
This is Ekage Liga Care. Not now, at that time. Here, Saradil and Saradil mother, Pitohan, arms given to mom. This is Saradil. He's a good boy. Mother is Buddhist. Father is a Catholic. You know, mendicant food. Those days, our monk go to the home by home, collect food.
Ah, got it.
Yeah, but today we given to food their temple. But nowadays they don't go to the collecting food. You know, Vaskale means
Rain season.
yeah, Vas season. They don't go to the home by home, and we bringing their temple.
Good.
So Saradiya. Salat pack with the Come. Ekadi under that.
Harry, okay.
This is a pottery shed, you know, made a pot and pan. And this is pottery wheel, pottery wheel.
Okay.
And after after bake that oven. And that's mother. That's mother go to the forest. She come back village. She gave her fruits, bee leaves and firewood. You know, that is our lullaby song. අතට වෙරළුව හිටගෙන හිනට පලානෙලාගෙන බත්තම දර කඩාගෙන එයි අම්මා විදසකිනේ කියන කවිය කියමින් තමයි මේ their daughter son. You know, that is a lullaby song. Here, lullaby song, sing a song.
Doi.
Doi baba. Taම නැද doi කිව්වේ?
Ah,
What?
Not.
How many older now?
Me.
එයාලා field එක දාගන්න පුළුවන්.
හරි ආසිතන මේ මැටි වලින් ගෙවල් හදලා තියෙන හැටි දැක්කහම
හදාගන්න දෙකක් තිබ්බා. ටූරිසම් කරනවා නම් එන්න මම තමයි පොරිනස්ට ගයිඩ් එක දෙන්නේ. එතකොට එන්න.
හරි.
ඉන්නවනේ.
හරි.
This is a bathing pot. You know, Nanakota. And Sarade is there. He's brushing toothpin. Those days, no brushes. We are brushing herbal sticks. You know, Karadan, Boom. And Sarade is a younger. And they are bathing. Those days, no washroom. When, you know, that is a, you know, Pihilla, Kitul Pihilla. And this is catching fish. This is commonplace. Those days, our ladies, gentlemen, all are come here. But do you know this gossiping here? But today they are gossip free. But today we put a data. Data දාලා තමයි අද අපි ඔපුදුප කතා කරන්නේ.
ඒ කාලේ නාන තොටේ.
මේ කාලේ නාන තොටේ. This is transport method. Transport method. And this is a caravan. Caravan. And are you asked to Panditiyata ඒ දණ්ඩ යන්න බෑ. Panditya means one intelligent man or wise man. And other one Panditya means payannai danta dahalna yannai. This person, he can't exalt the balance. Not balance. Panditya කියන එකක් intelligent man or wise man. අනික පයන්නයි දන්ත දහල්න යන්නයි පණ්ඩිතයා කියන්නේ මේ කත්කාරයන්. කද අරගෙන ඒ දන්න යන්න බෑනේ, not balance. ඉතින් මෙයාටයි යන්න බැරි but you can go there. Understood?
Yes.
ඒ අපේ සිංහලේ තමයි ගොඩක් වටින්නේ. අපි මේකට කියනවා කරත් ගෙඩිය. You know, other one is Pritipanna ක්‍රමය. You know, Pritipanna means it's near to sea. Pritipanna ක්‍රමය තියෙනවා අපි ලංකාවේ විතරක්. It is our Sri Lankan.
Standing on a stick.
Yeah. It's Sri Lankan only.
Sri Lankan only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, Saradil come in board. Saradil is a ferryman. Now, headman of village coming here. I remember lock up in 12 age, Saradil. Now, revenge Harachi. He kicking Harachi. He fell down Maoya. But nobody says Saradil was kicking. Why? Saradil is a friend of poor. Understood?
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
Look.
Yeah. That's a good question.
Okay.
Here, Saradil followed Malay police. Followed Malay police. But Saradil jumped there. He can't eat. After showing backside, catch me. Those days here, Malay police.
Yeah.
Our first policeman started in 1866.
1866.
Six. Before they are coming, Malaysia.
Malaysian, right?
This is laundry. Laundry. And this is this is a boiling cloth here. Boiling cloth. And after wash sand. And this is iron box.
Okay.
Iron box. It's with kerosene oil, coconut oil, coconut fire. ඒ කාලේ මිස් රැකියාවන් අනුව තමයි කුල බේද හැදෙන්නේ. පිළිසෝදනායි විනායි.
Oh, ne?
ආර්ථික හදනායි විනායි. එන්න තමයි ඒ කාලේ කුල බේද හැදෙන්නේ. Dividing money pays. Saradil always been to rich people and given to poor people. This is Saradil and his best friend Mammale Marikka. He's a Muslim person. And other friend is a Sirimala. Sirimala is a Sinhala friend. Saradil said to Sirimala, I am in Khadar house. Khadar is that person. After British Queen given to prize, had to Saradil 150 pound.
150 pounds.
Pound. Now given to tip in Sirimala. Sinhala friend. Now Saradil and Mammale are fighting. Mammale and Malay police are fighting. When our first policeman died, Tuan Saban, that is our police day, 1864, March 21. Ceremony is still now. Understood? Our police day is 1864, March 21. That our first policeman died, Tuan Saban. And with Mammale Marikar, not Saradil. After Saradil broken his hand, carry on, Bogambara prison. with Mameli Marikar. Mameli's sister is Tangamma. Tangam is Saradil legal wife. Now let's go to Bogambara Fisher.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
This is kubuk tree. You know kubuk gaha?
Yeah.
Under the well. Very clean and cool water.
Cool water. Yes.
ඒ කාලේ අපේ කාන්තාවන් කොණ්ඩ දික්කුනේ එහෙම. අර සින්දුව තියෙන්නේ. කුඹුකලින්දෙන් ලියදලා නාලා හැඩ වැඩ වෙන්න ඔයාගේ. This is Aricanet farm. Have your country? No, in Chile. We don't have a it's made of brick only. No mix iron. Here Saradil and Mameli Marikar carry on Bogambara Fisher.
Okay.
And horse carriages. This one is a first Asian brick bridge. No mix iron. You know, other one is a 9 arch.
Other one is 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
LA.
And that is Sutuang Kanda. Sutuang Kanda. Its sea level is 1,410 feet. You can climb there up and down 1.5 hour. And under the big cave, Saradil and his gang look around.
Oh, they live there.
Yeah, after British Englishmen, they are put money and robbed and given to poor people. James Taylor. James Taylor. Those days Indian ladies were here. Our Sinhala ladies not good their job. Those days Sinhala ladies, so those days are very respectable women. And they are coming Indian. Our first tea plantation, Lulkandra Estate. Still now you can see there. 40 feet, sorry. Still, Mother is a Buddhist. Father is a Catholic. Sadh's last name is Joseph. Joseph, not Saradil. They are hanging 1864. 64, 7th of May. They are hanging open stage. These two people. Saradil lived 32 years, not married. Mameli Marikar is 34 years. Saradil, end of.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਰਦੇਲ ਵਿਲਾਜ ਦੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਦ੍ਰਿਸ਼ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਮਰੀਆਂ ਜੋ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਰੋਬਨ ਹੁੱਡ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਹਾਈਡ ਪਲੇਸ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਮਾਊਂਟਨ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੇਵ ਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਇਹ ਬਾਕੀ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਦੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਹੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੂਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਲੰਕਾ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਿਓ ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਬਿੱਲਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਪਾਰਟ